Sunglasses just put me in my element. When I'm shy, they like help. When I'm feeling slick, they help. When I'm feeling dusty and you just need a little shade to put on, it helps. So when I started, like when I came up with the idea, like, yo, I want to make some glasses, my initial thought was, do I make something like crazy? I have sketchbooks from middle school and high school, and I wanted to know, like, would it be smart for me to make something like crazy to start? And at that time, I was more so in a place where I feel like I was convinced that if I made staples and classics, it would make more sense, because if you buy like a crazy pair of glasses that are shaped like some car keys, like, you won't be able to wear them as often, and as a result, people wouldn't want to buy them because I'm a small brand. But what I had to remember was, it's actually the opposite. So I just wanted to give that kind of disclaimer going in. I'm not, trying to claim I invented the wheel, but I do have a lot of thought, and I wanted to make this video specifically because I wanted people to realize just how much I am passionate. For me, I've always wanted to create the perfect pair of glasses. I knew it would be up to me to do it for myself because I'm just like crazily specific, and when I describe this stuff, you'll be like, oh yeah, me too. One thing that was super important to me was having glasses that were appropriately sized. You know what I'm saying? Like, I wanted glasses that could not only, I'm just gonna put this on the side, you're gonna hear that, that's gonna be like the promo, but I wanted glasses that were not only like big enough for me. I have a big forehead, right? And if you get the perfect size frame, it'll just camouflage the whole forehead thing, right? And so I really wanted to make sure like the glasses were big but not too big, because I needed something that was going to complement like this like much cheek. So if you like cut out that cheek and you just get a little eyebrow and you get the, man, what? Finest thing alive. I'm trying to show y'all the old bug glasses I used to wear. I just would probably have to scroll down a lot. I challenge anyone watching this video, just look down my Instagram and see how long I've been working on these glasses, to the extent that it's almost kind of like creepy. But samples take a long time, changing manufacturers, etc, etc. Okay, so now we here, I'm looking at the glasses. Okay, so these are the glasses in pink, right? And they're kind of like huge, like bug eye huge, you know what I'm saying? So I wanted to graduate from that and just, really found something that really fit my face. The glasses I designed here, they come in two colorways. They come in like a blue gray to clear tint, and then they go to like a brownish orange to clear tint. I was very intentional with making sure that the bottoms were as transparent as possible, because I wanted it to almost feel like they were smaller and that you were seeing more of your face. I wanted them to not only accent your skin color, but complement your skin color, and the fact that like you'll be able to see the difference. You know what I'm saying? Sunglasses just put me in my element. When I'm shy, they like help. When I'm feeling slick, they help. When I'm feeling dusty and you just need a little shade to put on, it helps. Like, I had to call these elements because if they don't do anything else, they will definitely put you in your element. And I'm not even trying to like use it as a selling point, but just in the sense of like any sunglasses that you put on. But these right here, these are my elements. Like, I love all different types of glasses forever, but these have always just, this style of glasses, like a round lens that's rounded but still square and just cover from here to there. It's just like, with the perfect amount of transparency, sunglasses can really complement your eyes. It's almost like eye makeup in a way. Like, when you look at, and I studied a lot about like just what certain makeup is for. Like, when they put like the light stuff under your eyes, it's kind of like mask the bag. So I kind of used that when I thought about the transparency, because being as though it's so light at the bottom, it almost makes everything else and all the color, being as though all the colors in one place, it just makes all the color, it just makes your eyes, like, it just lifts your face up almost. And I think that's I guess an additional selling point. But the idea that a pair of sunglasses can lift your face probably would sound crazy, but I just really wanted you guys to know. When designing these glasses, I mean, there were so many different sketches. The only one I could find that's like close is like this. And that shit looks horrible. There's so many different mock-ups, so many different things. even with like the promotion of it, I'm only on like phase 1 of promoting right now, and so right now you just got like a lot of simple silhouettes. But when you actually see like a lot of the product pictures, and I can give you guys probably just like a preview, because we don't really watch my videos, so I never mind previews. But overall, it's just I'm playing with a lot of elemental things. If I scroll down some, you'll see like just what I mean by that, like playing with like fire and stuff like that. Like it's really cool. I hope it shows up soon. Hold on. Okay, let me see the menu popping up. So, like you see like the fire. You can't really see the glasses in the video, but it's all there. This is me actually like doing the fire. This is a little bit behind the scenes. We're gonna do a whole separate YouTube video on that because I shot majority of it behind the scenes. But I really wanted, so I knew they were going to be called elements simply for like when I would discuss them with people, I would show them the samples, I would say like, these just not putting me in my element, you know. And I was about to put the glasses on, but lately I've been so lazy I don't put the glasses on. Sometimes I just use the filter because I have a filter on IG, and it's crazy like the way it works. Like, hold on, I'm gonna show y'all a video of me saying, "What's up, boss Dons?" Hold on, wait. What's up, boss Dons? What's up, boss Dons? See, it looks like I got the glasses on. Tough, right? I wanted to be very, because this is the first product I've dropped in probably over 6 or 7 months. I wanted to come back strong. My branding is strong, the messaging is strong, and like it's still being played out. But I hope if anyone is paying attention, they would get it. So I just wanted to show you guys how they come. So I mean, like, this is our standard boxes that we use for like most of our smaller stuff. This is one that was already open, so I figured it would be best to show you. So we have a little tissue paper, Deano tissue paper, Deano tissue paper. And so it comes in like a black matte box, and it's textured, you know, gold foil. Then we have the case, and the case is really cool too because it's just holdable. Like, I wanted something that like almost like if you wanted to carry nothing else but the sunglass case, you could. Like, you could just walk around with this. You know what I'm saying? It just fits in your hand perfectly. It's grippable. Like, I would like if people just walked around like, got my glasses, got my elements, you know. And so then the actual glasses, I didn't know it was glasses in here, but then these are the actual glasses. I love it. It opens up like this, and it's funny because this is behind me. Like, back up, back up. I'm gonna scroll back up to the top because it's more satisfactory for the video. Y'all like my new website? Look at these product pictures. So let me show y'all. I just want to show y'all the product pictures. So right now we looking at, let's see, this the way? Yeah, too much light. Like, we got really tough product pictures. Raw fiend did do deals. Like, this is my website. It's beautiful. You guys gotta check it out. You can't really see the blue ones, but there they are. I'm not gonna lie, Monte ate this shoot up. Everybody just looks amazing. And yeah, so just like, you know, catching the vibes, you know. Just catching the vibes. I don't know, the video don't work, so I might need to fix that. So then the glasses come in like this plastic. We'll set them down for now. Of course, you get like a nice dust rag. I really recommend using this because it just prevents scratches on like anything. You can use it for your iPhone, you can use it for your other glasses, whatever. Or you can use another one that you may already have. And so then we got like velvet in the inside, you know, more logo in. But I really wanted to be minimal, but I'm learning that like that isn't always the best way to go because it makes people think that you didn't make these decisions. These decisions were your only option. So I got to show people my creativity. I feel like sometimes we rely on the idea of what luxury is and how standardized it is and how simple and clean it is. And when you're trying to buy into that aesthetic, sometimes people are like, it's just a black box, you know? So you gotta be careful with that. And I'm just honest. So these are actually the sand colorway. And like they have gold and tortoise shells. I'm a little aggressive, but see, boom. And yeah, so this is the box, and also you get like a nice little care card with the logo on the elements, and then it'll just give you a little bit of care instructions. I'm gonna take these off because they reflect horribly in the ring light. Sunglasses in general And then they also come with a little wipe. And the wipe is pretty cool too. Like it just says Elements Lens Wipe. Let me tuck this back real quick. Elements Lens Wipe. Let me see, is it focus on? Element Lens Wipe. Yep. So, I mean, that's pretty much the gist of it. I can't wait to talk to you guys more about just like photo shoot, behind the scenes and all of that, and guess we'll get there when we get there. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope I showed enough. I feel like I'm forgetting something some way, somehow. I really hope you guys check out the video. Check out my website. Just let me know what you think of the design. And last but not least, I definitely want you guys to check out that filter, if not anything else. Of course, comment, like, subscribe, tune in to, I guess, the behind the scenes of this photo shoot with the models and stuff. So, yeah. Alright, Bustons. Stay untouchable. Godspeed.